today we're going to be shooting all of these Nerf guns. And also, it's going to be a little bit of a long video, so let's get on to it. So, this is a Nerf gun from Nerf World. And as you can see, it has 3 shooting spots. And also, it can sometimes shoot 3 bullets or 2 or 1. And we also have the Guardian gun from here, which is also from Nerf Gun World. And one time I shot this and it looks like it shot as fast as light. Something. This is this rifle from I don't really know, but it's a rifle and it goes really fast. Shooting. And then let me move all the guns out of the way because the armor is gonna be pretty big. And we have here the mini gun, and it's from I forgot, but I know all the other ones. And that's all the Nerf guns we have, and we're also gonna shoot them. Okay, now we're gonna start the video, and we're gonna move on to the next gun. So we got this gun right here. It's the Rhino gun, as you saw it in back in the video. And let's open it. Okay, now let's put all the bullets in there. Okay, now we're gonna shoot this thing. Let's cock it. Okay, shoot. We got another chance. Well, that one fell in the oven. Okay, that was way more. Okay, let's do another go on this gun, but we only have 2 bullets in it. Stuff this in. Okay, we're done with this gun, but now let's move on to this gun. This is the rifle, as you can see. And let's shoot it. Okay, that was pretty cool. Let's do it again. I have more bullets in there. And here, right here. Shoot this thing. Oh, that is fast. Okay, this is probably one of the final guns. The mini gun. This thing is pretty heavy for it. Hang on. And that's today's video. Like and subscribe. Bye.